Hello, my name is Henry. I learned meditation in the Himalayas, and I've spent the last 8 years helping people to establish a daily meditation practice. Today's session is on, is it okay to meditate at different times each day? Yes, the key is consistency, not the specific time of day. While having a routine can help build a habit, meditating at varied times can accommodate a busy lifestyle and ensure you don't miss sessions. Being able to meditate at a specific time every day and being able to maintain that meditation at that specific time is very, very beneficial. The mind will train itself to prepare for meditation at that time. Personally, I've found that to be true. Additionally, I've found it to be just as true that it is very, very difficult to be able to meditate at the same time every day. My schedule changes, the things that I need to do change, the times that I wake up, the times that I go to bed, the times that I do all the things in between waking up and going to bed, these things change on a constant basis. What I have found is the things that I do every day, fitting meditation in around these things. If I choose to meditate in the morning, I may choose a morning activity that I'm going to do to base my meditation around. For example, you may say, hey, right after I shower or take a bath, I'm going to meditate. Or before I eat my first meal of the day, I will meditate before then. I find that these types of scheduling has proven to be more, or consistency being more attainable, fitting meditation into your routine more so than having a fixed time. We all have busy or busy enough lifestyles. And if you attempt to meditate on a daily basis, everything will come up to interrupt that attempt to meditate. So even if you do not believe you are busy at this time, when you try to establish a daily meditation practice, everything will come at you and you will seem that, or it will seem as if any time that you want to meditate, there will be something else that you will need to do or that you will think about doing. Making sure that you make time for a session every day. This is the important thing, as I mentioned before, consistency. So however you can make it work in your day, this is the point. So timing is great if you can fit in a time every day, but if not, just find somewhere in your day where you can sit down and meditate. Let's bring our awareness to the tips of the nostrils and observe the breath. Let's bring our awareness to the legs. We'll relax the legs. We'll relax the pelvis and the hips. Relax the stomach. Relax the chest. Relax the shoulders. Relax the jaw and the corners of the mouth. Relax the forehead. Namaste.